Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about side hustles, and specifically the best side hustle ideas for 2023. If you're looking to make some extra money on the side, then this video is for you. We've done our research and found 5 side hustle ideas that are sure to make you money. So, let's get started. Solution 1 is to become a freelance content creator. As more businesses move online, the demand for high-quality content is increasing. If you're a talented writer, photographer, or videographer, you can leverage your skills to create content for businesses and individuals. You can find freelance opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Solution 2 is to start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. You simply set up an online store, market your products, and when someone places an order, you forward it to the supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. You can find products to sell on platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo. Solution 3 is to become a social media manager. If you're skilled at managing social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, then you can offer your services to businesses and individuals who don't have the time or expertise to manage their own social media accounts. Solution 4 is to become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative or personal assistance to clients remotely. This can include tasks like scheduling appointments, managing email, or booking travel arrangements. Solution 5 is to start a podcast. Podcasts are becoming increasingly popular, and with the right niche and content, you can attract a large audience and even monetize your podcast through sponsorships or ads. You can start a podcast on a variety of topics and use platforms like Anchor, Buzzsprout, or Transistor to host and distribute your episodes. These are our top 5 side hustle ideas for 2023. There are many opportunities out there, and with a little creativity, you can turn your skills and interests into a profitable side hustle. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.